Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the meme creator ChatGPT plugin that you can use to create memes on demand using the power of ChatGPT and AI. So before I will show you an actual example on how to use the meme creator ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this ChatGPT plugin, and in that article I share some of the use cases of this plugin and I just share some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with. So if you're interested in more details about the meme creator ChatGPT plugin, make sure to check out the article in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the meme creator ChatGPT plugin. So if you want to use this plugin, you have to make sure that you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, because at the time of recording this video, you have to use GPT-4 and the plugins model to be able to interact with plugins. And for that, you have to have a Plus subscription. So when you click on New Chat, make sure that GPT-4 is selected, then select the plugins mode. Then click on this down arrow, and if meme creator plugin is not installed for you, you have to scroll down and click on plugin store, search for meme, and install the meme creator plugin. And last but not least, you also have to make sure that the meme creator plugin is enabled, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so as an example, we can use a really simple prompt: create 5 funny memes on AI taking our jobs. So you can add any kind of topic here. Of course, you can be more specific with your prompts and tell ChatGPT what is the meme type you want to create and give some more context to your prompt. But this is also a valid use case, so click on send message here. And based on this, as you can see, the meme creator plugin has been activated, so you don't have to use any kind of function. If the plugin is enabled, ChatGPT will know that it has to use the meme creator ChatGPT plugin. Some of these responses from the plugin has received an error, but we have received 4 images here, as you can see. And if you click on this link, you can also check out the memes. So this is the 2 buttons meme that you might be familiar with. This is also quite a good one. This is the change my mind meme, AI can take our jobs, change my mind. So these are not very funny, but they are quite good. Of course, if you are giving more context to the prompt, it's gonna also get you better memes. And I also want to let you know that, as you can see here, besides this meme creator plugin, there's also a meme generator ChatGPT plugin that also can be used to create and generate memes on any specific topic you want. I also have a tutorial on this ChatGPT plugin. I will link it in the description below, so you can also check it out that as well and compare which of these meme generation plugins. And I have a lot of ChatGPT plugin tutorials that you can check out on my YouTube channel. So whatever use case you have, you can find a ChatGPT plugin for that. So make sure to check out the tutorials on my channel, and more are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.